Today we are going to draw easy Christmas tree. So for that we are going to draw one straight line as much as big tree you want, and then bottom just like an alphabet T. And then we are going to draw one more over here, and if you want fat one you can do a little bit bigger triangle. Okay, after that we are going to draw one smiley face over here. Make sure you are drawing really light. Second one, and then third one, and then I will erase this line. Now if you want to draw a star on the top, you can draw a star, and these ones you can do the way you want to do. Kind of like alphabet C. And then you can erase this one and this one, not top one, and this guideline over here, this one, this one. So now we got this one. So now we are going to make this one dark. So this one is here and this one is here. So this is the last one. I will start from here and I will go in here. Can you see this one? So like that. I will start here. I will go in here. So I will start from here and I will go here. And then this is my middle line. So one line this side, one line this side. I will erase here, and then you can shade it, or if you want to color it, you can color it. And then you can decorate the way you want.